If it is like kind of close, then we'll adjust it to whatever this is, and then we'll hit the other coil and make the same adjustments. I will do this one, and you hold it so it does not fall through.
Well, should we unbolt these guys?
What?
Whatever this is.
Oh shit! Yeah, I forgot about that because you has M3. You know what you really need to invest in is the magnet, like those magnet bolts.
Yeah, there's one over there.
Every freaking time, dude. All right, where are the bolts that you've already taken out so we don't lose those?
Right in front of me. Where they probably should be. Why is this just spinning freely?
Well, you probably have to put pressure somewhere, honestly. I don't know. I've actually never taken that part off. It's like this. And then it goes
do you
over
think
the
this
thing.
came with it since we're replacing it?
No, definitely not. You have a pry bar?
A pry bar?
Yeah. Could you like get a cooler?
That I might not have.
Oh. No, use one of the crescent wrenches. Yeah. So like
Just
this.
are you talking about just pulling the ball out?
No. So
Just putting pressure?
yeah. So you like put this on one side and you like pull it so that the nut pushes against whatever it is.
What now?
No. Here, I'll show you. What's that? Do this with the thing.
Think.
Oh! Sitting too long. So you gotta do this.
This is too much footage. I'm bending the blade.
Oh yeah. You thought we were gonna go to bed at like 12?
This is taking way too long. No, well, yeah, sort of. You said 2 hours.
Yeah, if it all goes smooth.
And it has not.
Yeah, first time.
I do have needle nose.
I've got it.
So you're gonna hold it?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Old man sword.
There we go. Yep, take it off. What are you doing? Hello? Trying to keep your caliper from fucking ripping off here.
It's been slammed into the strut tower too many times.
Right?
Oof. Look how clean that strut is, or the stanchion.
So you're going to be low. I'm gonna line it up with this, which should be. Well, so what I'm hoping is that this compresses a lot more.
It's like IKEA legs.
Jesus Christ.
I think this is way
6 inches up. Yeah, this looks a little too high. Other way.
How does this work?
See that? Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
This is like mind blowing to me right now. It literally.
You guys keep it straight.
This is so weird. I'm gonna be so mad. It's so fucking easy. What? I don't understand. I don't like this. Hands over. Now that I've seen what you were doing. No. You've loosened the cookie jar. It is now too easy.
That's what I thought.
Like, what? Because yours was making contact too. Like, let me see that one. Oh, you know what? This one is to this. That's fucking why it's bigger. Jerk. You should know this.
All mine's in the same size.
God
Here's
damn.
like, what? What the fuck?
The camera was never on me while I was doing that.
No.
Damn it. What? That's too long.
6 inches up. Think so?
It's like lifting the car, 4-inch lift.
Gotten the first strut out, and now we're sizing up.
Which seems completely incorrect.
It's very tall.
That's, I literally feel like we're doing a 4-inch lift.
So we'll see.
Where's the holes? That's what she said. Oh, it's too big. That's also what she said. Yeah, okay, I see it now.
The camber? Yeah.
I
see the camber from here, dude. It's got some camber, bro.
Great. I didn't really want to have super stance, but here we go.
That's some camber right there, dude. That's nice.
It's beautiful. I love it.
That's some nice. That's some nice looking camber right there, dude.
Let me tell you, I've seen some camber. This is nice.
This is the nice version. Seen a lot of camber in my days, and let me tell you.
The fucking like suspense. The suspense of the suspension. Is it gonna be low? Is it gonna be a 4-inch lift? Find out next time. No.
It is up there, bro.
Wow.
It'll be like.
Sick ride height, dude.
Hey, you want to sit on this
It
though?
literally is a 4-inch lift. That's so legit. I'm rally racing. Let's get some 4-inch tires.
How to die working on an E36 with the Widowmaker.
Oh, this is a money shot right here, bro. I should be in porn.
I don't know if you'll be able to use this video. I think it's gonna be super tricky.
Hope the battery doesn't die by the time I show you this ridiculousness. We just spent the last 2 hours looking for a bolt. Guess where that motherfucker is? I don't know if you can see it in there, but it's behind this bolt. In the actual suspension.
Wait, what?
Sick. It's in there.
Holy sh! I see it.
I see it.
That's pretty low, bro. What? What do you mean barely less?
Is it lower?
It's much lower, dude.
Act like you're working on something.
God damn it.
All right, so far the left side has gotten a lot more smoother, which is incredible because it's almost 3 in the morning. Maybe it's just after 2. 2:17 in the morning. And this one took forever. It was just a complete disaster trying to get things off, trial and error of different size sockets, different size. And then we lost one of the bolts, which all that just took way too long. Now, this side, now that I know the different sizes and all the different tricks, like for those of you who are doing coilovers that are planning to do it, the linkage here has an internal bolt, do not stop from turning, will not allow you to get the bolt off. So it is an 18, and then the front bolt that you're trying to loosen, I believe, is a 16, if I remember correctly. So you have to just grab a crescent, stick it back there, get it locked in there, and then loosen up with a 16. So something I learned. Hopefully, if you're watching before you install, that helps you out a little bit. But now we're on this side, knowing all that stuff, it came off super quickly. Pop it in and drop it, and it's literally a fraction of the amount of time this other side took. So kind of excited about that. But wanted to point out one of the other things, because these are, you know, BC Racing coilover set for the E36, but I also purchased, well before I got them, these strut reinforcements. These are from Prjct.Garage. I really didn't make any specific decisions on where to get these, and I got them from Prjct. I don't know if you can get them on ECS, but I'm sure you could. You can also get these on ECS, and I'll have links down below. Those help out the channel if you do purchase through that, so thank you for that if that's what you end up doing. But I'm gonna pop this bad boy on and hopefully be done with the front end. My face is so dirty. Man, that was a rough ride, but we are finally done. Bimmer is lowered slightly. In the front, it's actually a bit more than slight. I think we probably dropped it a good inch, maybe a little bit more. And then on the back, we didn't adjust anything. We just put it in the way it was, made sure both of them were even. And it did actually end up dropping, which from what I've seen on other people's videos, it will settle a little bit by tomorrow morning. Maybe not all the way. So it might be a little bit lower tomorrow. Super stoked with it though, other than it taking, let's see, we started at about 9:30, maybe even 10 p.m. and it's 4 in the morning. Solid 6 hours. Again, super stoked how it came out. Gonna go back to the spot where I did the quick little cinematic shots. Drive. We're going to Cars and Coffee, Whitney Ranch tomorrow morning, hopefully, depending on whether or not we're both dead. Something I totally forgot to mention last night at 4 in the morning. Something happened that always happens on every single Beamer, BC Racing, or even any coilover rehaul. This thing is clearly doing well. I can compress it and expand it by hand. So far, it already feels incredible. Knock on Justin's door. He doesn't wake up, so I open up the door. Still doesn't wake up, so I make a little bit of noise. He wakes up finally, and I was like, "You want to go, or you want to just stay here?" And he says, "I want to sleep. You go have fun." So far, this thing feels incredible. I'm not really going to be able to test it right now, but I can definitely feel that it's a little bit more snug to the ground. Probably have a little discussion on like what it feels like, any adjustments we need to make. You feel that light? The suspension holding up. All the torque's down. But with that said, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. Again, links down below for both parts here. Like I mentioned, I have a partnership with them, which is super cool. It's really cool of them to
work with me as a smaller creator and allow me to promote their business via my channel. So if you're planning to grab some coilovers, they do have the same BC Racing set. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're new, join the crew. And if you're not new, tap the like button, leave a comment, share this video. Those are things that help grow the crew. I gotta take a shower because my face is messier than I thought it was. I'll see you later, crew.